Billy Squire and the Stroke. It's cool 96.5 Southern Idaho Super Hits. Welcome back from the weekend, Kat.
It was a good weekend.
It was.
It reminded us it's still winter.
It is still winter. And it's still freezing cold outside.
Yeah.
We just broke 20 degrees. So what are we celebrating today?
Oh, this is great.
Okay.
Curling is cool day.
All right. Curling, the
curling.
Olympic sport curling?
Curling, the Olympic sport curling. I haven't figured out if it's like human shuffleboard or ice bowling.
I like ice bowling. That sounds good. I remember I'd never heard of it, and then all of a sudden it was a part of the Olympics, and everyone's like, what is curling? Nobody knew. And that's a funny one to watch, too, because when you're exerting yourself, you grunt, and they scream and grunt in that thing.
They are powerful
Like,
people.
I'm like, I've never seen anybody sweep with that much fervor.
Sweep,
Yeah. Okay.
It's Dog Biscuit Day.
Okay, hopefully that's not our food
No.
choice.
No. Although I have eaten one
I've ate a
before.
dog biscuit before, too.
And on a dare for my friends, I ate one. Tennis Day. There another one where people yell,
Yeah.
"Ah!"
I used to play tennis all through high school and stuff, and then I started playing racquetball, and now I can't play tennis. In
You can't-
racquetball, it's more like, hit it as hard as you can against the wall up. Like with tennis, you got to hit it down.
Yeah.
And I'm used to just like full out, I can hit it as hard as I want now, and I wanted to go back towards the wall and then hit the front wall again. You
Yeah.
don't do that in tennis. It's a little more
No.
precision, I think.
I think so.
But you still get to yell, so it's
So
fun.
you're telling me to not play tennis with you because you just send them sailing over that big high fence all the
Or I
time.
may just bean you with the tennis ball.
Fair
Which
enough.
is a thing that happens a lot more in racquetball than it does in tennis. Okay.
It's Bird Health Awareness Week.
I'm good. Thanks.
Are you healthy?
I'm good.
I'm aware of your health now.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Got a
that.
little dust still in my lungs and everything from
Yeah.
the Southern Idaho Home and Garden Show, but other than that, fantastic.
Might need to do a sinus rinse.
If you see a sick bird on your lawn, tell him it's still winter. Okay.
And in 1927, Calvin Coolidge signed the bill creating the Federal Radio Commission.
That's why sometimes you hear a beep and
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, the beep, 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 beep. It sounds like Morse code.
Yep. Kind of like watching Chef Ramsay. They beep him a lot. That's because of these guys, the FCC.
The FCC.
And we love them for it. Thanks, FCC. You're the best.
You're the best. Thanks so much. And
Food.
it's Banana Bread Day.
Ooh, I do like banana bread.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that with banana bread, if someone sees, like this banana, it got frozen, so it's brown on the outside a little. Someone sees that and they're like, oh, that banana's going to go bad. What should we do with it? Make
Bread.
banana bread.
That's right.
the only use for an almost
It's
unedible banana.
It's either banana paste for children with no teeth
Yeah.
or bread.
Yeah. Banana bread it is. I like that.
I like banana bread.
Okay. So that's your day.
It's a good day.
All right. That's an all right one. That's not bad for a Monday.